Are you ready to embark on a journey of irresistible allure and boundless affection? In this guide, we unveil 9 captivating strategies designed to make him utterly addicted to you. From exuding confidence to showcasing your authentic self, each tactic is a potent ingredient in the recipe for everlasting love. Prepare to mesmerize him and leave him yearning for your presence at every turn. 1. Show him that he turns you on. Demonstrate to him the intensity of your attraction. Regardless of whether your relationship has progressed to intimacy or is steadily moving in that direction, it's essential for him to grasp his ability to incite your passion. This could stem from his verbal expressions, his choice of attire, or the gentle caress of his touch. Communicate this arousal overtly or through subtle gestures, such as a smile, a tender caress, or an appreciative purr. Just as women do, men appreciate compliments, so don't hesitate to shower him with praise. By affirming the impact he has on your desires, you're indicating your keenness for more of what kindles your passion. 2. Exude confidence. Confidence is your ultimate allure. It's the cornerstone of my philosophy at Sexy Confidence, because I firmly believe it's the most potent asset in a woman's dating arsenal. Consider 2 types of men: one timid and shrinking, difficult to engage with, and the other, commanding space, making eye contact effortlessly, exuding warmth and attention. Who captivates you more? Undoubtedly, it's the confident one. Self-assurance not only enriches your life, but also enhances your appeal to others. When he witnesses your independence, your refusal to seek validation, and your determination to chart your own course, he'll find himself drawn to you inescapably. If confidence isn't your strong suit, don't fret. It's a skill anyone can cultivate with dedication and practice. 3. Be genuinely interested in his hobbies and thoughts. Foster a genuine interest in his passions and opinions. It's the secret to making him feel like the center of your universe. I almost titled this section, "Make Him Feel Like a Rock Star," because that's precisely what it takes to cultivate addiction. Authenticity is key. Any feigned interest will be immediately detected. Practice active listening. Commit yourself entirely to the conversation, eliminating distractions like phones or wandering eyes. Your undivided attention will resonate with him profoundly. Additionally, mirror his words back to him. A subtle yet effective way to demonstrate your attentiveness. For instance, if he mentions an upcoming trip to Vegas with his college buddies, recall the details he shared previously. This showcases your genuine engagement and impresses him with your ability to retain information. Furthermore, seek his opinion on matters that matter to you, whether it's resolving a conflict with a friend or contemplating a decision. Showing appreciation for his insights will deepen his connection to you. Wonderful viewers, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up by pressing that like button below. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us keep creating content. 4. Be vulnerable with him. Allow yourself to be emotionally open with him. It's a powerful signal of trust and intimacy. When you share your vulnerabilities, whether it's your fears, past heartaches, or your evolving feelings for him, you're demonstrating that you value his presence enough to reveal your innermost thoughts and feelings. I understand that past experiences may have made you hesitant to expose your vulnerabilities, but if you're earnest about rekindling love, and I believe you are, this is an area worth investing in. Not only does vulnerability make you irresistible to him, but it also facilitates your own healing process, allowing you to release past pains and embrace new love with an open heart. Begin with small disclosures. A mention of how his morning texts brighten your day, for instance, and gradually allow yourself to become more emotionally transparent over time. 5. Act like the prize you are. Embrace your worthiness. Recognize that you're a valuable catch. Despite any disappointments from past dating experiences, it's crucial to understand that those outcomes weren't a reflection of your desirability or worth. They simply weren't the right fit. If this man holds potential, it's imperative to acknowledge your own self-value. This not only bolsters your confidence, but also magnetizes him toward you. You refuse to tolerate lateness or mind games because you know your worth. You're not reliant on him. You desire him, but don't need him. By recognizing your prize-like qualities, you shift the dynamic. He must pursue you. Avoid appearing overly eager, maintaining the allure of mystery and independence. Continue living your fulfilling life, and he'll naturally gravitate towards being a part of it. 6. Be available, but not too available. Strike the balance between being accessible and preserving your independence. Continuously being at his beck and call undermines the thrill of pursuit. Instead, allow some space between responses to texts or decline an invitation occasionally, indicating that your time is valuable and not solely devoted to him. The aim isn't to engage in manipulative games, but rather to avoid revolving your world solely around his communications. So, silence your phone and keep it out of sight. Dedicate time to your own interests and socializing with friends, ensuring your life remains rich and varied. If you're genuinely immersed in a fulfilling life, it becomes effortless to prioritize him appropriately without sacrificing your autonomy. 7. Let your intelligence shine, without flaunting it. Your intelligence is a valuable asset, and it's disheartening to hear that you feel compelled to downplay it in order to attract a partner. While it's true that some men may struggle with confident and intelligent women, it's important to recognize that those individuals are not compatible with you. There exists a man who will not only appreciate your intellect, but also find it incredibly attractive. If your current partner makes you feel as though your intelligence threatens him, it's a clear sign that he's not the right match for you. While I encourage you to embrace and showcase your intelligence, it's essential to do so authentically, without using it as a means to impress or gain leverage over someone. If you notice your partner disengaging when you delve into complex topics, it's perfectly fine to shift the conversation to something else. Remember, your intelligence is a part of who you are, and the right person will celebrate and cherish it. 8. Be authentic. As you navigate the world of dating post-divorce, it's natural to question your identity. You've evolved since your last foray into the dating scene in your 20s. While you might experiment with different dating approaches, considering casual encounters or exploring multiple connections simultaneously, deep down, you're aware of your core self. Embrace authenticity. Allow him to witness your genuine essence, quirks and all. The right partner will be drawn to you because of these unique traits, not despite them. There's no need to conceal who you truly are. Authenticity fosters genuine connections and lays the foundation for meaningful relationships. 9. Show your gaga for him in subtle ways. Express your affection for him in understated gestures. The flutter in your stomach when his ringtone chimes, the sensation of floating when you kiss him. These sensations may seem evident to you, but he might not realize the depth of your feelings. Communicate your emotions openly. Share the joy and excitement he brings into your life, and watch as he becomes increasingly enamored with you. Your genuine expressions of affection will forge a deeper connection and leave him longing for more.